Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. This has become the official debriefing area. Best part of my room is my restroom because the lighting is great. This vlog is something that I haven't quite filmed in a long time. Filmed any kind of like routine vlogs as such, but I kind of didn't want to do a single day routine. I'm thinking of doing it at a later stage because I have quite some things coming up this week in the evenings that I thought you guys will actually enjoy watching. Yeah, so I just got off placement. Pretty much tomorrow also I have placement. Typically something that I do every weekend after I come back is just take a nice shower, eat something, make a coffee or a tea. If I have any other APS work to attend to, I would quickly do that before it becomes like 5:36, and then after 6 I just sit and I read my book, and then I just don't let anyone disturb me during that point of time. But after that I start to get ready, prep for dinner and all of that, go through some of the course content that I have to go through for the rest of the week. So the best part about this semester is that I only have 2 courses as such, so there's very little bit of course content that I have to go through, which means that I can't give any reasons and I have to keep up with everything. That is what I'm doing. My goal is to kind of be up to date with everything, but this week is kind of fun because today I'm heading out to dinner with some friends, but I also have a meeting to attend, and tomorrow it's pretty much chill. I'm thinking of editing my vlog tomorrow, but let's see, I can't finish it in one day. And on Wednesday is a public holiday here. The public holiday is called Ekka, and Ekka is like a fun festival here in Brisbane, which is kind of like an exhibition, I would say. And this is my first time going there. I wanted to go last time, but then I knew it was super expensive and I couldn't afford it. We're going this time. I'm going after 4 p.m. I'm not going to go into any of the rides. So this Ekka, it has an entry fee of a certain amount of dollars, but then every time you go eat something or you choose a particular ride, that's a separate amount that you have to pay. So that's too much of money. I'm not big on going to rides. I just want to feel the vibe. So we decided to go after 4 p.m. and surprisingly the tickets for after 4 p.m. are cheaper. The fireworks is the main highlight, so that's happening from 6:30ish. So I feel like after 4 is the perfect time to actually go around, see what's going on. But yeah, this week is going to be a mix of productive, calm, focused, and also I have an assignment submission that I have in between. Yeah, that also we'll be working on that. But yeah, this week is going to be a mix, a good balance of everything, and I'm excited to take you guys around. So let me take a quick everything shower, and then I'll make my coffee, eat my spring roll, and relax for some time.
Madam, ticket madam. sun, and odds and ends of mountain land, on tracks of range and
Queensland, this little golden stock horse here
pricks his ears and lifts his head on high. Shadows on the grass.
Then let's go! Make some noise!
Hi guys, I just realized that I'm wearing the t-shirt the other way around, but fine, it doesn't really matter. It's been a long time since I actually came and spoke here. I'm thinking it's been like 4 days now. This week has been quite a week. Like, it has been extremely productive and fun at the same time, just the way I predicted it. Yesterday's event actually turned out to be really good. I completely forgot to film after that, but you would have seen some clips from the event, which I'm super grateful that happened really well. It was even better than what I had in mind. But for today, I just submitted an assignment some time ago. It was called a goal setting assignment, and basically whatever strengths are, my weaknesses are, and what I expect to improve during my placement is what I have to write in the assignment. They had given us a template and I just had to add some stuff inside that, so that was about it. But for today, our main work is I'm currently watching MasterChef because I have a couple of more episodes and the final is already out. I kind of know who is going to win because I don't think I'll be able to finish it by today, but hopefully by the weekend I'll be able to complete with all episodes. But later today we will be going to the Brisbane Library to sit and catch up with all the lectures. So this week, because Wednesday was a holiday, they had just uploaded the lecture and there was no in-person class, so I'll have to go through that material. And then secondly, I have to also go through Thursday's class, which I didn't end up going because I had a public holiday hangover, so I was just like sleeping at home. And quickly, I wanted to come and talk to you guys about the books that I've been reading because it's been a while since we spoke about books. So in my Kindle, I finished the Housemaid series in less than a week. I would say a week because the third book took a couple of days, but the first two books, I finished them in a day. Let's start with the first book, is The Housemaid, which I would give it a straight 5 because I did not expect the twist at all. I was taken aback and I was just like that the entire time. I started with the next book, which is The Housemaid's Secret. I felt like it kind of followed the same template as the first book, so I kind of predicted what was going to happen a little bit, but I still was taken aback with the twist that was there as a part of the book, so I would give that book a 5-star rating as well. Whereas the last book, The Housemaid is Watching, was not really what I expected because it was like the character Millie, who's the protagonist, she has kids, and it's kind of like if you read the first two books, you'll get better idea of what the third book is. I mean, you can also read it as a standalone, but I wouldn't really suggest you read it as a standalone. Like, if you like the series, you just read it. Otherwise, you just skip the book, because as far as I liked the family and getting to know more about Millie, I really liked that part, because I was very like, I really liked Millie's character. The suspense was not that great because I kind of predicted what was going to happen like midway through the book. But I think I would say almost 3/4 of the book was very slow, usually when compared to Frida's books, which is like very fast paced and there's something happening all the time. This series was really crazy. I definitely liked. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the book, and I'm gonna watch MasterChef for some time and then head off to the library.